In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off Chase credit card automatic payments. If you're someone who prefers managing payments manually or simply wants more control over your expenses, this guide will help you with just that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to disable those automatic deductions from your account. First, let's get started by opening the Chase app. Make sure you have it installed on your mobile device and that you're connected to the internet. Once the app is open, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't remember your login information, you may need to reset your password or contact Chase for assistance. Signing in successfully will bring you to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your accounts. Next, locate the credit card for which you have automatic payments enabled. You'll want to select this specific card to proceed. It's important to note that if you have multiple cards with Chase, you'll need to repeat this process for each card you want to manage individually. Once you've selected the appropriate credit card, tap on the Pay Card option. This will take you to a new screen where you can view your payment options and history. Here, you should see a section labeled Automatic Payments. This is where you can manage your automatic payment settings. Now, look for the option that says Manage within the Automatic Payments section and tap on it. This will bring up the details of your current automatic payment settings, allowing you to make changes as needed. In the top right corner of this screen, you'll see an option to Edit. Go ahead and tap on Edit to make adjustments to your settings. At this point, you'll see the option to Turn off automatic payments. Select this option if you're certain you want to disable it. Keep in mind that turning off automatic payments means you'll need to remember to make payments manually to avoid late fees or penalties. It's a good idea to set reminders or alerts on your phone or calendar to help you stay on track. Once you've selected Turn off automatic payments, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice by tapping Yes, turn it off. This step is crucial as it finalizes the process and ensures your automatic payments are indeed disabled. And that's it. Automatic payments have been successfully disabled for your Chase credit card. Going forward, future payments will no longer be made automatically, giving you more control over when and how much you pay. Be sure to check your account regularly to stay updated on your payment due dates and avoid any unwanted charges. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.